Hello, everyone. Today's English lesson is all about the phrasal verb carry on. It's a versatile phrase with multiple meanings, and we'll explore each one with animated examples and interactive questions. Our first meaning of carry on is to continue or keep doing something.
We've made good progress so far. Let's carry on with our project and finish it on time.
Absolutely. We should carry on working hard until we complete every task.
Carry on in this context means to continue without interruption. Now, let's have an interactive question. Can anyone share a situation where they had to carry on with a project or task, even when it got challenging? Raise your hand and tell us your experience.
Last semester, I had a difficult research project, but I had to carry on with it because it was an essential part of my course.
Great example. Sometimes, perseverance is crucial to achieve our goals. Another meaning of carry on is to persist or persevere, even in the face of challenges.
I might have lost a few matches, but I won't give up. I'll carry on practicing and improving.
Carry on for Justin means to keep trying and not give up. Now, let's have another question. Can anyone share a situation where they had to carry on and persevere through a difficult time? Raise your hand and share your experience.
I faced many challenges while learning a new musical instrument, but I carried on practicing every day, and now I can play it well.
That's wonderful. Perseverance pays off when learning something new. Sometimes, carry on can mean to behave inappropriately or excessively.
At the party last night, John carried on, dancing on the tables and making a scene.
Yeah, he definitely carried on like there was no tomorrow.
Carry on in this sense refers to behaving in a wild or inappropriate manner. Let's have another question. Can anyone share a funny or memorable situation where someone carried on at a party or event? Raise your hand and share your experience.
I remember my cousin's wedding, and my uncle carried on with his dance moves, entertaining everyone with his energetic performance.
That sounds like a fun memory. Sometimes, we all like to let loose and have some fun. Another meaning of carry on is to transport or convey something, especially as luggage during travel.
I'll just carry on my suitcase. It has all my essentials.
Good idea. That way, you won't have to wait for checked baggage.
Carry on here means to bring something with you during your journey. Time for another question. Can anyone share a travel experience where they preferred to carry on their luggage instead of checking it? Raise your hand and tell us your story.
During a short trip, I decided to carry on my bag because it saved time and I didn't have to worry about losing my luggage.
That's a smart choice. Carrying on luggage can be very convenient, especially for short trips. In a colloquial sense, carry on can mean to continue a romantic or affectionate relationship.
I really enjoy spending time with you, Lily. Can we carry on seeing each other?
Of course. I'd love to carry on dating you, Alex.
Carry on in this context refers to continuing a romantic connection. Let's have one last question. Can anyone share a sweet or funny moment from a relationship where they wanted to carry on seeing each other? Raise your hand and share your experience.
Once, during a date, my partner and I had such a great time that we decided to carry on our date for a few more hours.
That sounds like a wonderful memory. Cherishing those moments is essential in a relationship. Fantastic job, everyone. You've learned all the meanings of the phrasal verb carry on. It can mean to continue, persist, behave inappropriately, transport, or even continue a romantic relationship. Keep using carry on in your conversations, and you'll be carrying on with your English learning journey.